Imagine a culinary journey that takes you across the vast Azure Pacific, where every bite reveals a new layer of culture and tradition. Oceania, the land down under, offers a distinct food scene that's as diverse as its landscape. From the smoky aroma of Aussie barbecues, the earthy flavors of a traditional Fijian Lovo Feast, the refined sips of New Zealand's vineyards, to the rich blend of international flavors in Melbourne's vibrant street food scene. Excited? Brace yourselves as we embark on this gastronomic adventure. Commence our countdown with an Aussie classic, the barbecue. It's not just a cooking method, it's an integral part of their social fabric. Australian barbecue culture is as diverse as the country itself. From the glistening coastlines, where barbecues are graced with an array of seafood like prawns, fish, and calamari, to the rugged outback where classic steaks and sausages reign supreme. Barbecuing in Australia is more than just a way to prepare food. It's a social event. It brings together family, friends, and even entire communities for a feast under the open sky. Whether it's a weekend gathering in a suburban backyard, a sprawling park feast, or a beachside cookout, the barbecue is the heart of the celebration. Every sizzle, every flip of the tongs is a testament to Australia's love for good food, good company, and good times. So if you find yourself down under, an Aussie barbecue is a must-try experience. Next up, we venture into the heart of Fiji for a traditional Lovo feast. Imagine a banquet cooked in an earth oven, where food is slow-cooked to perfection, infused with the flavors of the soil and the aroma of banana leaves. This is the Lovo, a unique Fijian cooking method that's not just about the food, but also about the community. While the Lovo oven may seem primitive, it's a testament to the ingenious culinary traditions of the Fijian people. The process involves digging a pit, heating up stones, and wrapping food in banana leaves before burying it to cook. It's not a solitary affair, but a community event. Neighbors gather, share stories and laughter, all while waiting for the feast to be ready. From succulent pork, fish, and root crops, to the sweet, smoky flavor of the palusami, each dish offers a taste of Fijian culture and tradition. A Fijian Lovo isn't just about the food, it's about community, culture, and tradition. Moving on to number 3, we leave the mainland for New Zealand's famous wine regions. Picture rolling vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see, bathed in the golden glow of the sun. Here, wine is not just a beverage, it's an art form. Each vineyard, with its unique terroir, crafts wines that are as distinctive and diverse as the landscapes they hail from. Imagine yourself at a wine tasting, savoring the exquisite notes of a world-renowned Sauvignon Blanc or a Pinot Noir, with the stunning backdrop of the vineyard from whence it came. Every sip is a story, a testament to the winemaker's craft and the land's bounty. But the experience doesn't stop at the wine. These vineyards often serve as hosts to gastronomic delights, offering food pairings that elevate the wine tasting experience to a whole new level. Picture plates of local cheeses, fresh seafood, and decadent desserts, each bite enhancing the wine's flavors. In New Zealand, wine is more than a drink. It's an experience, a journey. Our countdown continues to the Samoan Islands, where we discover a traditional dish, palusami. This emblematic Samoan dish is a delightful marriage of taro leaves and coconut milk. The leaves are carefully folded around a hearty dollop of creamy coconut milk, often with added onions or canned meat for an extra punch. Steamed to perfection, it's a staple in Samoan cuisine, often served during special occasions and family gatherings. The taste? It's a unique blend of earthy and sweet, with the velvety coconut milk wonderfully complementing the slightly bitter taro leaves. This humble dish, brimming with distinct flavors, is a testament to the island's rich culinary heritage. Palusami is a simple yet rich dish, a true embodiment of Samoan culture. And finally, at number 1, we return to Australia, specifically Melbourne, a melting pot of international cuisines. Here, the vibrant food markets are a gastronomic playground teeming with an eclectic array of dishes from all corners of the globe. One moment you're savoring the rich, aromatic flavors of Thai street food, the next you're indulging in an authentic Italian pizza, hot off the stone oven. The city pulses with a contagious energy, the air filled with the irresistible aroma of sizzling food and the rhythmic hum of lively chatter. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and tastes that captures the heart and soul of this diverse city. In Melbourne, every street corner offers a new culinary adventure. And there you have it, the top 5 food experiences in Oceania. From the sizzling Australian barbecues, the earthy Fijian Lovo Feast, New Zealand's exquisite wines, the hearty Samoan palusami, to Melbourne's vibrant street food scene. So, what are you waiting for? Oceania's culinary wonders await your arrival.